Collecting field data in low network areas can be challenging, but it doesn't have to be. With MAPOG, field teams can capture on-site data, add locations, and record observations without internet access. Once back online, everything syncs automatically. Start by opening story.mapog.com and heading to the Operations and Planning section. Here, click on Survey and Data Collection. From the Surveys section, select the survey you're working on. Once everything is set up, like filling the campaign details, creating a questionnaire, uploading locations, and assigning users, go ahead and launch it by clicking on Start Survey. Next, assigned team members can access their tasks through the MAPOG Contributor App. Even with mobile data turned off, they can go to the Survey section to view mapped locations or add new ones by selecting the Found New Location option. Simply pinpoint the location on the map, confirm it, and fill in the required details. Then save the location. After that, they can complete the survey form with the collected information. Upload field images and either submit it or save it as a draft. As data starts coming in, you can monitor everything through the Overview and Insight sections. These provide a clear, visual representation of your data, with different colors indicating statuses like pending, submitted, drafted, accepted, and reopened. If needed, export the data as an Excel file, or open it in a new or existing map using the Add Layer on Map option. The newly added locations from the app can be reviewed and approved before being added as location points on the map. Finally, in the Review section, admins can go through submitted location updates and survey forms. They can update the status, such as moving a submission from submitted to accepted, and add feedback or notes wherever required. The Info section gives a complete overview of the survey, while the Table view allows you to filter data based on status, assigned member, or distance, making it easier to analyze and manage submissions efficiently. MAPOG ensures every field observation is captured, organized, and synced, no matter where your team works. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.